Welcome back, people. Welcome to a new series about Bootstrap. Today, we will learn about Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a front end library. It is a powerful, extensible, and feature packed front end toolkit. So, what exactly is front end? Front end is what the user sees, it is the face of your website or mobile app. So, what is Bootstrap then? Bootstrap is a bunch of code that was written to be reusable, that you can drop into your site and it will make designing the website much easier. Bootstrap was originally developed by Twitter to get more consistency across websites, but they made it free and open source for everyone to access. What is the use of Bootstrap? Bootstrap makes design consistent across websites. Bootstrap makes it very easy to make a website responsive. In fact, one of the most important thing is that Bootstrap make it very easy to make a website responsive. So, making the website responsive means that it responds to the viewport. So, if you are looking at a website from a phone or a computer or a tablet, it should have different layout to be able to best take advantage of the size of the screen. The website changes its layout depending on where it is being displayed. Other use of Bootstrap is that when we are using Bootstrap, we get access to a whole bunch of pre-styled elements that can be simply dropped into your code. So now let's go to Bootstrap's website. We have the current version as version 5.3, so you can go ahead and download version 5.3 or whatever you have as the latest version. We also have a link to include Bootstrap via CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. We also have a set of examples to which you can refer and create your own components. We will install Bootstrap in the next video. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.